Hi, I'm Evangeline Ramos, your real estate assistant. I'm helping you to create home wealth through real estate kung saan hindi ka na mangungupahan dahil ikaw na ang magpapangupa. House tour muna tayo. This is Fuji model dress-up unit. Ito na yata ang pinakamurang single detached dito sa Dasmariñas at nasa isang exclusive subdivision at pwede sa bank and Pag-ibig financing. 22 months to pay na! Also have a big carport. Ang lot area nito ay 120 square meter at ang floor area naman nito is 82.98 square meter at complete turnover. As you can see, ang living area ay open and inviting. Take a look ang dining area with lanai area. It is perfect for family gathering. Of course, hindi magpapahuli ang kitchen. Functional ang layout. At meron din dito sa baba na complete toilet and bath. Meron pang space dito sa likod. Good for laundry area. So, napakaganda at spacious talaga siya sa likod. Tara, akyat tayo sa taas. Let's check upstairs. So, ang stairs niya ay malawak at very spacious. At itong kanyang handrails ay made of steel. At meron itong complete common toilet and bath sa taas. Very spacious din siya at napakaganda ng design. Pwede itong common toilet at meron pa itong one bedroom for your children. At meron pang isang bedroom na pwede mong gawing guest room or your office. Isang malaking master bedroom with balcony. Wow! Ang Fuji model sa 3 spacious bedroom. Kaya wala ka na talagang ipapagawa pa. Movable things na lang talaga ang dadalhin mo. Ang ganda ng location dahil located ito sa isang exclusive subdivision, ang Edesha Heights. If you feel that this house is for you and you feel na dito ka na sa susunod titira, send us a message. We would like to connect with you. At sana mapapasayo na ang Fuji model na to. Thank you for watching. See you next house tour.